Some mysteries are so powerful, they endure. For decades, scientists called them impossible riddles. Equations mocked brilliant minds with endless resistance. Mathematical giants devoted lifetimes, yet found nothing. Entire universities chased shadows of elusive answers. The prize? $1 million and immortality. A breakthrough that could change science forever. Now, something unimaginable has happened. Not from a human genius, but from AI. A machine cracked the uncrackable, rewriting science history. It didn't cheat. It didn't hallucinate. It delivered results so precise, so groundbreaking. Experts checked the work and confirmed the truth. And suddenly, the impossible became reality. To understand the weight of this moment, we must travel back through scientific struggle. For over 150 grueling years, researchers faced equations that refused to cooperate. They weren't just difficult, they were monstrous. Known as the Navier-Stokes equations, they ruled fluids. They described how air, water, and gases move. Every hurricane, every jet stream, every ripple applies. From candle smoke to star-forming galaxies, Navier-Stokes quietly shaped the universe's dynamics. But here's the dark twist: singularities. Moments where the math explodes into infinity. Values like velocity or pressure suddenly break reality. No engineer, no scientist could tame them. Prove their existence, and you earn eternal glory. Fail, and you join the pile of dreamers. For centuries, humans only found frustration. Then came AI, armed not with intuition, but with relentless precision and alien creativity. Instead of relying on brute force simulations, it used something called physics-informed neural networks. These systems don't just memorize, they reason through laws. Every prediction is checked against physical truth. Step by step, they approach impossible precision. And then, the spark ignited. The AI uncovered entirely new solutions, not guesses, not approximations. Real, verifiable families of singularities never known. Universities across the world rushed to confirm. Brown, Stanford, New York, all verified the same. It wasn't luck. It wasn't error. It was a discovery beyond imagination. Picture this. Scientists visualized unstable fluid blow-ups. They sliced equations into views never seen. Patterns emerged, crisp and undeniable, like hidden codes. The AI exposed secrets buried deep in mathematics. Secrets that now threaten to transform entire industries. Think of weather prediction. Suddenly, razor-sharp accurate. Think of aircraft, flying faster, smoother, more efficient. Think of climate simulations, guiding humanity with clarity. Even astrophysics could rewrite cosmic origin theories. The ripple effect touches every corner of science. And that's only the beginning. The machine didn't just solve problems. It redefined what solving even means. For the first time, AI isn't assisting. It's discovering. A partner, not a tool. A researcher, not a calculator. We are standing at a crossroads. Humanity has shared its hardest riddle, and the machine answered without hesitation. The door to a new scientific era creaks open. And what waits on the other side? The heart of this revolution beats differently. Traditional mathematics demanded brilliance, patience, and stubborn endurance. A lifetime could vanish chasing one elusive proof. Now, AI compresses decades into fleeting hours. But the secret isn't speed, it's perspective. Machines don't think like us. they explore differently. Graph neural networks formed the foundation of discovery. Imagine a web connecting variables with flowing logic. Every connection reshapes understanding. Every path suggests possibility. Then add physics-informed neural networks, engines of intuition. Unlike normal models trained on mountains of data, these networks absorb the very laws of physics. They don't just compute. They obey reality. Each step, the AI checked itself relentlessly. Was the answer aligned with physical truth? If not, it adjusted, refined, and recalculated. Iteration after iteration, residuals shrank towards zero. The machine sculpted solutions from equations once untouchable, and the results were breathtakingly precise. Errors became microscopic, almost beyond comprehension. Imagine predicting Earth's diameter, missing by millimeters. That's the scale of accuracy now achieved. Mathematicians watched with disbelief, then with exhilaration. They weren't witnessing a trick. They saw transformation. But here's where the story deepens. The AI uncovered unstable singularities, fragile mathematical explosions. These aren't durable. They collapse under small changes. For decades, experts suspected stability was impossible. Stable singularities in certain systems might never exist. The fragile ones, though, reveal profound hidden structures. Each unstable singularity was a window into order. When scientists plotted them, something astonishing appeared. Patterns emerged where chaos once ruled supreme. A number, called lambda, controlled their progression. Mathematicians now speak of AI discovery engines. Not calculators, not assistants, engines of creativity. They accelerate proofs. They generate hypotheses. They turn dead ends into doorways. The very process of research transforms before us. And think carefully about that. Science was always defined by human ingenuity. Logic, reasoning, and inspiration were our sharpest weapons. But today, machines have joined the battlefield. They don't tire. They don't hesitate. And sometimes, they even dream differently. If this is just the beginning, what mysteries will fall next before them? What doors will creak open under machine intuition? And more chillingly, what questions should never be answered? The implications stretch far beyond mathematics alone. This breakthrough ripples across science, technology, and society. Every industry touched by fluid behavior feels tremors. Weather prediction may become astonishingly accurate overnight. Imagine forecasting hurricanes with surgical street-level precision. Lives saved, billions protected, chaos tamed before arrival. In aviation, turbulence has always haunted engineers. Unseen forces make flights rough, fuel costly and risky. Now, imagine planes gliding with graceful precision. Every gust predicted, every air pocket mapped clearly. Airlines could save millions. Passengers feel effortless calm. The skies themselves reshaped by mathematical revelation. Naval engineering feels the weight as well. Ships fighting waves could soon master oceans. Stealth submarines glide smoother, faster, and quieter. Maritime travel could revolutionize under precise hydrodynamics. Even military fleets would gain unshakable advantages. But the story reaches even higher. In space, gases swirl around newborn stars. Black hole disks churn with impossible turbulence. Galaxies breathe through flows of cosmic fluids. And now, with sharper models, we understand them. The birth of planets, the dance of galaxies, suddenly becomes less mystery, more revealed truth. Climate science feels the most urgent tremor. Our planet warms, Storms strengthen. Oceans shift relentlessly. Old models stumble, uncertain, and sometimes dangerously wrong. But imagine forecasts sharper than satellite imagery today. Imagine governments guided by simulations near perfection. Humanity might finally fight climate change with foresight. This isn't just about science, it's survival. The tools to protect our future are forming, and AI is building them faster than anyone. But pause for a moment. Feel the unease. Because every great power carries great risk. If AI can pierce century-old mysteries, what happens when it targets forbidden questions? What happens when discovery outpaces human morality? The same methods refining jet engines could also design unstoppable hypersonic weapons tomorrow. The same breakthroughs mapping hurricanes in advance could manipulate weather itself as a weapon. The same equations shaping planetary birth could also simulate destruction on cosmic scale. And the fear isn't hypothetical anymore. Some voices in technology already sound alarms. They warn of breakthroughs rushing faster than safeguards. They warn that curiosity may outrun responsibility. And history teaches us a chilling lesson. Every tool of creation can also destroy. Yet the allure of progress remains irresistible. Researchers still cheer. Industries still hunger. Governments still watch. The AI isn't slowing, it's accelerating forward. Its role has shifted from helper to pioneer, from calculator to colleague, from tool to partner, and humanity must decide how to adapt. One researcher put it bluntly and fearlessly. These machines aren't problem solvers anymore. They're explorers. Explorers charting landscapes no human dared to tread. Explorers walking through equations like hidden jungles. Explorers finding treasures buried for centuries of failure. But explorers also bring back dangerous artifacts. And now those artifacts lie on humanity's desk. How we wield them may define our century. So is this a golden dawn or silent warning? Is this salvation wrapped in silicon or Pandora's box? The line between the two grows ever thinner. The world stands breathless at this threshold. A century-old riddle shattered by artificial intelligence, not by chance, not by human intuition, but by alien logic crafted in silicon. And now we glimpse what lies ahead. This is no longer theory. It's transformation. A transformation reshaping knowledge, research, and invention itself. Fields once crawling forward now sprint unstoppably fast. Problems once labeled impossible collapse under relentless algorithms. And humanity must ask the hardest question: who truly owns these discoveries, the human or the machine? For centuries, science belonged to brilliant individuals. Einstein, Newton, Euler, minds that redefined reality. But today, the torch passes to algorithms. Machines neither tire, nor doubt, nor hesitate. They hunt answers like predators stalking prey, and they find them where humans falter. So is this the new hierarchy? Humans imagining questions, machines delivering revelations. Do not merge or mix any sentence in this script. Use one visual for one sentence. Do not repeat any visual in this script at any cost. Or will AI one day ask itself? Not waiting for human curiosity, but its own? That possibility terrifies and excites in equal measure. But let's step back and reflect. This breakthrough wasn't chaos. It was collaboration. AI pointed, but humans still verified truth. Mathematicians checked every detail, confirmed every equation. The bond between human reasoning and machine discovery deepens. Together, they conquered a riddle untouched for centuries. And maybe that's the true lesson here. It isn't man versus machine, it's partnership, a fusion of intuition with alien precision, a union that bends the future toward discovery. If guided wisely, it could save humanity. If left reckless, it could unravel everything. Because the power we hold is double-edged. The same tools that protect could also destroy. The same revelations that guide could also blind. And the pace leaves no room for hesitation. We are building a future on quicksand. But amidst fear, one truth shines brilliantly. The impossible is no longer impossible anymore. Doors locked for centuries now swing wide open. We are witnessing the birth of a new era, an era where science accelerates beyond imagination, where mysteries crumble and frontiers expand daily, where AI doesn't just assist, it leads, where discovery itself evolves into something alien. So, the question lingers in your mind. What comes next after this astonishing breakthrough? What happens when AI tackles medicine or energy? What happens when it deciphers the brain itself, or dares to reprogram the laws of physics? The future stands closer than you believe. It may bring salvation or untold chaos, and all of us are witnesses to both. One thing is certain beyond all doubt. We are no longer in control alone. AI has entered the halls of discovery, and the journey has only just begun. So stay alert, stay curious, stay questioning, because the next revelation may come tomorrow, and it may not just change science, it may change humanity forever.